Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome po sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, ay pwede bang makahingi ng isang like, subscribe, at pakishare na rin. At huwag pong kalimutan na pindutin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, our topic is all about relation of roots. So, continuation ito sa ating last topic kagabi or kahapon. Okay, so yung last upload ko. So, first, the sum of the roots is the additive inverse of the quotient of b and a. Okay, so this is root sub 1 plus root sub 2 that is equal to negative b over a. Okay? Second, the product of the roots is the quotient of c and a, where root sub 1 that is, i-multiply natin kay root sub 2 that is equal to c over a. So, the relations that exist between the roots of quadratic equation, which can be used in checking the validity of the roots, can be of best use in deriving the quadratic equation. Okay, so the general form is ax squared, this is x squared, then plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have to express this one in the form of multiplication property of equality. Okay? So, pwede natin i-divide din ito. We have to divide this first term into a. Ito rin si bx, divide din natin by a. Divide din natin siya by a. So, the result is x squared, wala na yung a. Then plus b over a times x plus c over a equals 0. Okay, the rule is to derive the quadratic equation when the two roots are given. Subtract its root from x to get the corresponding linear factors and equate the product of the linear factors to 0. Okay, example. So, our equation is x squared yan, minus 3x minus 2x equals 0. So, yung solution natin dito, kapag i-factor natin yan, the result is the quantity of x minus 7 times the quantity of x plus 4 equals 0. Equate natin yan into 0. So, kapag i-check natin si x times x, that is x squared. Okay? Then, x times positive 4 is positive 4x. Then, negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Then, negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. Then, i-add natin si negative 7 at saka si 4x or 7x. Negative 7x minus 4x, so that is negative 3x. Okay, therefore, si x minus 7 equals 0, equate natin yan. Dito din sa second root, equate din natin yan into 0. So, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, ngayon, the result is x is equal to 7 kasi si negative 7, transpose natin sa right side. So, magiging positive 7. So, this is our root number 1. Okay, yung second root is x plus 4 equals 0. So, i-transpose natin si positive 4 to the right side. So, magiging x is equal to negative 4. So, from positive, magiging negative. So, root number 2 ito. Okay? Ngayon, so, si x squared minus 3x minus 28 equals 0, check whether the roots are correct. Okay? So, root sub 1 plus root sub 2 equals negative b over a. Okay? Since our a is positive 1, our b is negative 3. Okay? Then, c natin is negative 28. So, the sum of the roots, so 7, yung first root natin kanina, na 7, positive 7, then plus second root natin is negative 4. Then equals, yung b natin is negative 3, then a is positive 1. 1 yan. So, since mayroong negative yung b dyan, so the result is positive 3 over 1. Or the value of this one, positive 7 plus negative 4 is 3, that is equal to 3. So, therefore, this is true. And the second root is the product of the root. Okay, so product of the root, the first root is 7. Multiply natin kay second root na negative 4. So, that is negative 28 over 1. So, therefore, negative 28 is equal to negative 28. So, this is true. Okay po, so again, hanggang dito lang muna tayo at sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, paki-subscribe na lang at paki-like na rin at paki-share na rin. At huwag kalimutang pindutin yung notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay po, maraming salamat and God bless.